Good morning, students. I, Professor Y. M. Harde, presently working in Mechanical Engineering Department, Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we will discuss the development of cylinder in development of surfaces chapter. So, a cylinder base diameter 50 mm and axis 65 mm is resting on its base on HP. A cutting plane 40° to HP cuts the cylinder and passing through a point on axis 40 mm above the base. Draw the projection of solids. So, draw the top view of the cylinder first. Draw the circle and then draw the XY lines. Extend endpoints on front view. This is cylinder front view. Draw the generators in center line. So the circle divided into 8 equal parts. So how to know? You will very well know that. In this way, divide circle into 8 parts and project all the points in the front view. This is development of cylinder. Name. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It consists two types 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and A B C D E F G. Draw next reference line for developments. Name as 1 is 1 to A. So develop cylinder, take a pi d distance. So diameter given as 50 mm. So it is a circumference distance. So the dimension is 157 with the help of pi d formula. Take a 157 distance and divide it into 12 parts. So 8 equal parts. Sorry. So take a more than 30 angle lines. Draw points. So divide this line into 8 equal parts. Connect the last point of 157 line, which line divided into equal parts. So draw parallel line with the help of roller scale or scale. Similarly, all points. So how to divide 157 into 8 equal parts? So with the help of that points, draw vertical lines. Draw vertical lines in each and every parts. This is a development of surface of cylinder. So cutting plane line is 40 mm above from the base given in the problem. Mark points, take your protractor and take a 40-degree angle and mark a line, cutting plane line. Now we will be getting the cut points on the front view. Mark P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, U dash, V dash, V dash, W dash. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A and A dash. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A dash. So draw the cutting points on a lines. So point, draw parallel lines. So take a point E and 5, take a points. Similarly, take a all points. So next points, draw horizontal line, take a points D and 4 having points. Yes, H16, F6 point having V points, W points. Similarly, draw another points. Mark. So V is point on G7. So C3 having point R, G7 point having V is there. Point V is there. Similarly, next point another mark, draw the lines, take G points, B2 point having Q, H6, W is lie on point H. And last points P mark on P1 dash and P1 dash. So this is a cylinder. So this is a cylinder joined with all points with French curve. And dark all the points. Remaining portion make a dark all lines and join with curve, smooth lines and curves. So this is a required answer of your questions. Thank you.